The ocean is full of secrets, and one of them was revealed in the Quran over 1400 years ago. Deep under the sea, it's so dark you can't see your own hand. Scientists found that the deeper you go, the darker it gets, layer after layer, until no light can reach. And in some places, there are waves above waves, huge waves deep under the surface that move just like the ones we see on top. The Quran says, or like darkness in a deep sea, covered by waves, above which are waves, above which are clouds, darkness, one above another. Quran 24:40. No one could explore the deep sea back then, but Allah described it perfectly. So next time you see the ocean, remember, there are worlds and wonders beneath that only He fully knows.